Are you college student? Okay, that's all right. I am also a college student. So let's get talk is going to be very honest, because whatever I'm putting over here, this is my personal experience. What I'm gaining. First thing is that we all have a desire to invest in stock market, in cryptocurrency, and explore the life, to live as a royal. But the thing is that being a college student, actually we don't know and we are not having the mentality. I'm not targeting all the people, all the students of college, but majority which I have seen, like they are not having the source of pocket money, and they are not having such type of skills, through that they can earn a little bit money that can satisfy their second thing is that, like, out there may be lots of people who are just looking for startup companies and ideas, but the thing is that they are stuck in only one part, from where they will collect the money, funds, all those things that is needed in the beginning of it. There are three genuine skills that I suppose and I feel all people know about that, and at least they should gain and they should accomplish one of them. Naval Ravikant, he is an entrepreneur, and he always suggests the student, all the people, like, you need to accomplish two skills first. First is content, and second one is coding. Yeah. So what is the meaning of content? So let me elaborate a little bit. And meaning, like, this sort of things. Just suppose you are very expert in video creating, and you are very comfortable with in front of camera or all those things. So you should start this type of content. And in other hand, if you are a fashion designer and you love to be there on that particular area, so just go for that, and create content and show the people. And second one is coding. Yeah, all people know. Just suppose we are having an idea to start our company. The first and foremost thing is what? We need to code our website, code our application. If you don't know how to code, so in what manner you will be like exploring the things, and how you will be managing the things about your company. Okay, out there lots of coders as well available, but in beginning you need to pay them, man. But and you are a college student and you are not having such type of source of income like royal family. So keeping this thing in mind, he was saying that either you need to learn coding or content creation. You need to focus on this particular scenario. These type of skills you should acquire in yourself and accomplish first. And it doesn't matter like only YouTube channel I'm talking about. No, it may be a public speaker. This is also a skill, man. This is your own content. If you are good in writing, so you can teach other people, and you can become a content writer and blogger. Those who do write for other person, and people will admire and people will like hire you as well. So in this way you can start earning. And third and very foremost thing that over here I would like to add my own gaming part. In India, people see the gaming as a wasting of time. But my dear, this is not a wasting of time. And just put your glance on other countries like Japan, China, what they are doing in the field of gaming. So you can pursue your career in gaming part as well. If you are a lover of any kind of particular gaming, so just explore yourself. Each and every field, your skill do matter, man. If you are in your first year, second year, third year, fourth year, it doesn't matter. According to some case of study and according to the lots of reports, report says that particular day we get around 6,000, not 6,000, 60,000 ideas to become a good person, and three of them that can make you millionaire. But we are not able to execute because we are not having even pocket money. So how you can think that type of way? And lastly, I would like to say I'm a first year guy, and my branch name is mechanical.